Hello and welcome to another update video about Polygon MATIC. As I said already a few days ago, we had a good sign that the wave B here has topped, and since then we have been dropping further. That's now also the expectation, strongly the expectation. We still so far have found support above this support area, indicated that in the last video here around the 76.5 cent level. I would eventually expect a drop here to the downside. I don't think we're through yet with this move. If you remember, my view is that we are currently coming down here in a C wave of wave 2. So it's a larger 1-2 setup that we have here. This is the C wave. The C wave I would consider a 5 wave. Well, it is a 5 wave move. This, let me think. So this C wave consists obviously of this wave 1, which came down here, the wave 2 to the upside, looking currently at a wave 3 down, a wave 4 to the upside, and a wave 5 to the downside. I would consider that a so-called ending diagonal. In this ending diagonal, we've got subwaves, which I count as 3-wave move. Yeah, so the wave 1 has ABC, the wave 2 ABC, the wave 3 ABC, the wave 4 and the wave 5. We are now in this wave 3, presumably, which consists of this A wave, this B wave, which is probably topped, and there's different interpretations. Either I say it topped here or here. Both possible, doesn't really make a great difference. And we are currently coming down here in the C wave to the downside. Yeah, I would expect eventually in this C wave of 3 to reach at least the 70 cent level. Otherwise, it would be a very, very short wave C. I mean, I've had an idea how this could be counted, but I'm not too happy with that. The wave 5 would be, or generally this wave C would be a bit too short. So overall, the focus remains on the downside. The problem is, if this is, as it seems like, this C wave in itself seems to be an ending diagonal. We've got lots of diagonal patterns at the moment, and these are not so reliable in terms of Fibonacci extensions. But if I look at this entire C wave, well, you normally would expect that the wave C has at least the same length as the wave A. The very first target, though, is the 61.8% extension. So we might be looking here at the 70 cent level, yeah? So that's what I would expect at least for this wave 3. And then we can move up in a wave 4 and come down in a wave 5. And I'd expect here for this wave 5 something around, you know, the 55 cent level to the 47 cent level. And from here, we could then start to turn around and move up. MATIC, one of the strongest charts in crypto at the moment. It did hold really well. Hope it will continue to hold well. Of course, we expect now a move down, but that would be part of this larger 1-2 setup. And if it continues to hold in the yellow box without dropping below 47 cents, then there is nothing bearish. Important to understand, how long do we keep up this view? What happens if suddenly MATIC starts to move up and gets close to this high? When do we change the view? Well, my view is a drop to, first of all, 70 cents and then even lower, as just explained, is favored as long as MATIC stays below the 90 cent level, or let's call it 91 cents. Needs to stay below the 78.6% retracement. If we get above that level, it would be more likely that something else is going on here, which I wouldn't be very clear about at the current stage what this could be. I mean, it's possible that some kind of a triangle unfolds here, or that we bottom very early, yeah? But below 90 cents, strongly further downside is preferred and favored. Okay, and that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.